How's everyone doing today? This is Cooking Outdoors with Crystal, and I'm your host. Today we're going to make another burrito, and it'll be similar to the last one, but a viewer has asked me to do a shredded chicken burrito I have everything pre-cooked, everything pre-spiced with a little bit of chicken, a little bit of taco seasoning. We're just going to heat the tortilla up here, and then we'll get all our ingredients together. It'll be a rather quick video, but hopefully you'll enjoy it, and hope everyone's doing great this week. Hope everyone's having some fine weather. If you're in the East Coast where it's dark, gloomy, and stormy, hopefully everybody's staying safe and warm. Well, let's start by seeing where our tortilla is at. I'm on a Coleman camping stove here. So hopefully everyone has done their summer camping, or if you're one of those van lifers or someone living in a bus or a truck life and you're out there running around the world, you can make these very simple burritos. Okay, so let's start assembling let's heat up our tortilla, which is what I'm doing now. Get it nice and warm on both sides. We're going to heat it up real quick, and we'll put it on a plate. And then what we're going to do is we're going to assemble our burrito, and then we'll grill it shut with the cheese, and we're going to put some sour cream in there. And here we have our shredded chicken, as everyone can see. Now we're just going to put it up in the tortilla. And I brought some shredded cheese out. And there's our shredded cheese. And we're going to throw a little bit of sour cream, which I use Daisy. And you can use any kind of sour cream, whichever one you prefer. But I really like the taste of Daisy. I use the squeeze pouches because they're easier to control, versus when you have a spoon, it just kind of goes everywhere, and you have to work harder at trying to put your sour cream where you want it. So here is our burrito right before we close it up with sour cream and all that on it. And now we're putting it together. We just finished putting it together, and now we're going to grill it shut with the cheese so it gets nice and melted on the inside. Hopefully everyone has seen a lot of different types of burritos, or has experience in making them. But if not, they're pretty simple. You can Google upon all kinds of recipes of burritos online. We're going to make a couple of them here. This channel has been geared at anyone and everyone, but I like to think of this as not only just an adult-friendly video, but maybe a teenager-friendly video, someone who's getting ready to live on their own. And very, very friendly community of people, and would love to hear from your viewers to know what you guys might like to see me make on future videos. if you would like a certain recipe or have any ideas, please drop it in the comments below the video once I have it posted. I appreciate that, and I appreciate all you viewers, and please give me some likes, some shares, and some follows. I appreciate each and every one of you. You viewers have been treating me very well, and I am very grateful to each and every one of you. Okay, so here's how the grilling has started to look. See the nice grill marks on there. Okay, so now we're going to take that one off the pan, and we're going to do another one. So again, we're just going to take our chicken. We're just going to make a simple little line of it on the tortilla. I've seasoned it with taco seasoning. You can do anything that you want to do as far as spices. Anything that you may like in your burritos. But it's really just up to you. We're going to put some that shredded cheese on there, which I have already done. Now, we're just going to take a little squirt of our Daisy sour cream. Put a little line on there of it. Don't need a whole lot. Sour cream is one of those flavorings that could overdo your burrito. You can make your burritos any size you like. I tend to like some of mine small, some of mine like large, and yeah, so it's just really upon your preference. Okay, while that one's sitting there cooking, we're going to start another one. This time I think we're going to try grilling our tortilla on the burner. Which usually traditional Mexican burritos you do toast them on a burner. You don't really put them on a stove. Okay, so now we have our other one here, which we lightly browned. And we're just going to do the same thing again. We're going to line it with some chicken. Add some of that finely shredded cheese. We put a little bit of that Daisy sour cream on there. Again, you really don't need a whole lot of sour cream. It's really upon your preferences, taste of how you might like your burritos. Now you don't want to overburn yours, so you might want to keep the heat between medium to low. You don't want it on a high heat, otherwise you can burn your tortillas very, very easily. here I'll show you one of our finished products here of what I've done. I grilled to a nice golden brown. Okay, so here we made 3. And I've gone ahead and just kind of charred one just to show you what not to do as far as burning a tortilla. This is, the second one here is what not to do. It's kind of been overcooked. You don't want to leave it on the pan or on the burner too long. And you want to pay attention, and you want to keep flipping it while you're doing it. Okay, so here's our third burrito. Lightly brown. Cheese should be nicely melted on the middle. And that is how you do a shredded chicken burrito, as today's video is sponsored by Walmart. Everything you see that I have gotten, all my tools, supplies I buy from Walmart. Thank you guys from all my best of my heart. Thank you for the support, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to leave me some likes, comments, shares, subscribe, I'd very much appreciate it. And remember, I also have a Patreon page, so you guys can follow there too. I'll post a lot of my work and videos on Patreon just as well. If you'd like to subscribe to that as well, I'd appreciate it. Well, hopefully everybody has a great week, and you all stay safe out there, and we will see you on the next one.